This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a RZR XP. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. The front grille can be removed to clean out the front of the radiator. Also located in the front of the vehicle are front tie-down points, the front shock assembly with preload adjustment and compression adjustment, the clicker knob, brake fluid reservoir, upper and lower A-arm assemblies, axle with CV joints, tie rod assembly, sway bar link, and upper and lower ball joints. On the driver's side of the vehicle is the driver's door, which can be opened by pressing the latch button on the inside of the door. Once inside, you will find the seat adjustment lever on the bottom of the seat to allow forward and backward movement. Once in the driver's seat, you will find the upper dash storage compartment with USB connector, steering wheel with tilting steering column lever, dash speaker, if equipped, diagnostic plug. In the center, you'll find the ignition switch, the instrument cluster, light switch, all-wheel drive switch, accessory switch plugs, a 12-volt accessory outlet, Stage 1 audio controller, if equipped, and a battery charge port. Below the center dash is the gear shift lever, cup holders, and accessory switch panels. Under the driver's seat, you'll find the battery. In the four-seat vehicles, the battery is under the rear driver's side seat. On the passenger side of the dash, you'll find an upper dash storage compartment with a tool kit. This tool kit includes a spark plug socket, 8mm socket, multi-function pliers, hex driver handle, T40 Torx driver, T27 Torx driver, T25 Torx driver, clutch spreader tool, shock adjustment tool, spare fuses, and a tire pressure gauge. On the right side is the passenger handle, which can be adjusted to different lengths for the passenger. This handle can also be removed and used as a lug wrench. Next, you'll find the dash speaker, if equipped, and a lower storage compartment. The passenger seat can be adjusted using the adjustment lever on the bottom of the seat to allow forward and backward movement. On the floors, you'll find the drain holes. In the RZR 4-passenger, you'll find a 12-volt outlet and additional cup holders. Behind the seats is the engine access panel, which will give access to the air filter, oil filter, and fuse box. The fuel cap is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Rear wheel well is where you can find the coolant overflow bottle. The rear suspension contains the rear shock assembly with preload adjustment, shock compression adjustment, the clicker knob, trailing arm, sway bar link, rear tie-down points, radius rods, and axle with CV boots. In the rear of the vehicle, you will find, at the top of the storage bed, is the pressurized coolant reservoir access panel. Never remove this cap if the engine is hot. Remove the cargo box with cargo tie-downs for access panel to the oil cap and the spark plugs. In the passenger rear wheel well, you'll find the oil dipstick. The vehicle identification label is located on the right front vehicle chassis frame. The VIN is also stamped on the left rear chassis frame. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.